Left ear. Tinnitus is stealing your sleep. Are you over 60 and constantly bothered by that frustrating buzzing or ringing in your left ear every time you lie down? This isn't just an annoyance. It's the biggest barrier preventing you from achieving deep, restorative sleep. Imagine. When the world goes silent, the tinnitus roars, leaving you tossing and turning with anxiety, only to wake up exhausted. If you constantly try to change your sleeping position, stuff pillows, or block your ears without success, the solution I'm about to share is exactly what you need. A refined method focusing precisely on left ear tinnitus using a masking sound, exclusively for when you lie on your right side. Why does tinnitus seem to worsen as you age, especially at night? Most of us know tinnitus is the perception of sound without an external source. For those over 60, there are a few core reasons why it becomes a nighttime nightmare. The first and most important reason is the natural decline in age-related hearing, presbycusis. As the ability to hear high frequencies diminishes, the brain sometimes tries to compensate by creating its own internal sound. That's the ringing. The second reason is the silence of the sleeping environment. When the lights go out and ambient noise drops, the contrast between the internal tinnitus sound and the external environment becomes stark, amplifying the perceived volume of the ringing. At this point, your left ear, which is affected by tinnitus, becomes more sensitive than ever, and the ringing seems louder and more persistent. Furthermore, sleeping posture plays a critically important role, especially for those with unilateral tinnitus. When you lie on your left side, the affected ear, that ear is pressed against the pillow. This not only reduces external noise that could help mask the ringing, but can also change blood flow, pressure in the ear canal, or even jaw alignment, sometimes making the tinnitus worse. This is why many people with left ear tinnitus instinctively avoid sleeping on that side. But if you lie on your back, the ringing persists. Lie on your right side, and you worry that the masking device's noise will bother your healthy right ear. Due to these complexities, we need a smart, precisely targeted solution. A 15-minute masking sound, designed to be effective only when you lie on your right side. So what is the fix? The solution is a smart 3-step strategy, focused on creating an ideal sound environment solely for the affected left ear, while keeping the right ear as quiet and comfortable as possible. Step 1. Optimize the masking sound for left ear tinnitus, 15 minutes. Instead of using common white noise, we will use a gently frequency-adjusted sound, usually pink noise or soothing nature sounds, like soft rain or running water. The frequency of this sound must be sufficient to mask or blur the ringing, often a high-pitched buzz, without being too jarring. 15-minute duration. This is the key point. Research shows that most people fall asleep within 10-20 minutes. The masking sound will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. This ensures that, 1. It completes its mission of helping you transition from wakefulness to deep sleep. 2. Your healthy right ear will not be disturbed by prolonged noise throughout the night. Your body will learn to associate these 15 minutes of sound with the time to sleep signal. Volume. The volume must be set slightly lower than the perceived volume of the tinnitus. The goal is not to drown out the ringing, but to make it less prominent and easier to habituate to. Habituation. Set the volume low enough that you are still aware of it, but loud enough to reduce the brain's focus on the ringing. Step 2. Optimal sleeping position strategy. Always lie on the right side. This is the most crucial part of the only used when lying on the right side strategy. Speaker charge device placement. Place the speaker or sound device near the left side of your headboard, the side of the affected ear. Physical effect. When you lie on your right side, the right ear, the healthy ear, faces upward away from the pillow, and importantly, it is further away from the sound source. The source is on the left side of the headboard. Conversely, the left ear, the affected ear, will be pressed against the pillow, and the sound from the source on the left side will more easily travel through the space and pillow to reach the left ear. Although the left ear is pressed against the pillow, the physical placement of the speaker aligned with the left side of the bed will create a sound gradient, making the masking sound more effective for the left ear, or at least available at the right time. Advantage. This way, your right ear is protected from unnecessary noise, while the left ear receives the necessary masking. Lying on the right side also helps reduce potential pressure on the affected left ear. Step 3. Establish routine and psychology. Treating tinnitus is not just about sound, it's also about psychology. Establish routine. Make it a habit to turn on the masking sound immediately when you lie on your right side. This action will become a powerful sleep ritual, signaling to the brain that it's time to relax and stop focusing on the ringing. Utilize the 15 minutes of relaxation. During these 15 minutes, focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale deeply and slowly. Don't try to listen to the ringing or the masking sound. Let the two sounds blend together and then forget them. The 15-min masking sound for sleep, only used when lying on the right side solution, is not just a sound trick. It's a simple cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) approach. It thoroughly addresses anxiety about left ear tinnitus, optimizes sleeping posture, and ensures sleep quality without disturbing the healthy ear. With this strategy, you don't have to fight the ringing. You just need to subtly install an efficient short-term aid to gently guide yourself into dreams. Don't let left ear tinnitus steal your precious sleep for another night. By accurately implementing the right side sleeping strategy and using this smart 15-minute masking sound, you will reclaim your peace and wake up every morning with renewed energy